Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to insert a YouTube video into your Google form. My name is Tyler Osborne. I often give my kids little quizzes and tests using Google Forms, just little checks, especially when I want them to watch some kind of video that's educational. It's just a little bit of an accountability piece and lets me know who actually watched the video and who didn't. So in order to do that, you just open up your Google form that you're going to turn into a quiz. So I pulled up my test form for my 21 cent. And in order to insert a video, it's very, very easy. You have some questions here, and you just go ahead and press the Add Video button. Now it brings up this window right here. Unfortunately, Google Drive videos at this time of the recording aren't supported. It has to be a YouTube video. Now you can search for a video right here if you know what you're looking for, or if you've already found the video, this is my preferred method. You can take the URL directly from the YouTube video. So I'm going to have a second tab open here with my YouTube video that I want to put in. So this is a SciShow Kids video. If you're an elementary teacher and you don't know about SciShow Kids, you should definitely check it out. Huge shout out to them. To get the URL for this particular video, I go down to the share button. And it's this highlighted one right there. It's already highlighted, so I can just do Control-C or Command-C if you're on a Mac to copy the URL. Now that I have it copied, I'm going to do Control-V or Command-V on the Mac and paste it in, and it should load it up, and you can actually watch it right here just to make sure that you actually have the right video. If it is the right video, and this is the right one, press Select, and it will plunk it right into your quiz. Now you can move it around if you want. It can be at the front. When I'm doing a quiz that was based on one video, typically I have the video right in the front so they can rewatch it again if they want. Or if you wanted to have a quiz that had multiple videos into it, kind of like a self-guided learning experience, you can totally add more than one video. It doesn't have to be just one. Now, there's one other thing I want to show you with the videos. If you go to these three dots, you actually have the ability to center align or right align them. If you decided that, oh, this isn't the greatest video and you want to get rid of it, but you don't want to remove all the descriptions and things that you've added in, you can actually change the video as well. And then to remove, it's also those three dots, and you can just press the trash can. It'll get rid of the video. And that's all you need to know about inserting a video into your Google form. If you like this video, please consider leaving me some feedback on my Google Forms on my website. Thanks for watching.